In this video, I am going to show you how you can use this website to make money online. The best part about this website is that it gets 23 million traffic per month consistently, and as you can see, more than 30% of the traffic is from United States and more than 50% of the traffic is from tier 1 countries. Along with that, the best part is that this website allows affiliate links. As you can see over here, an affiliate advertising program and affiliate advertising platform. That means the people over here are used to clicking on links, and this is why I have got such good results with this website, because it allows links and people actually click on these links. So if you are a beginner who wants to make money online with just 2 hours of work, watch the full video, because I will show you each and everything with my payment proof, and we are starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Just comment down below I subscribed with a question, and I will reply to each and every comment that I receive. Before going ahead and showing you anything else, let me just show you my payment proof. As you can see, if I just reload this, tell me how many times should I do this? As you can see, I have made $400 one week, $80 one week, $120 one week, and believe me, I didn't even know that this website was so good. I was just trying out this new website. I only put 2 hours of effort in the beginning that made me $400, and all of these payments after that is just passive income over and over again with just that 2 hours of work. You can do this over and over again to make even more money. As you can see, $440 paid to me, $80 paid to me, $115 paid to me. If I just reload this again, as you can see, again, I can reload this again. This method actually works, and if you are a beginner, you can make a lot of money for free with this method I'm just about to show you. So watch the full video, because I will show you all the steps, all the tips and tricks, and at the end, I will show you how you can make even double the amount of money with this same method. Now jumping straight into the video, the first website that we will need is an affiliate network, but please don't skip, watch the full video, because there is a special niche that you need to start working on that has low competition and that converts with the website and with the traffic source I'm just about to show you. So you need to watch each and every second of this video to gain as much information as possible. So in order to get the affiliate network, you can use ClickBank. ClickBank is the world's largest affiliate network. You can use Digistore, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, you can use any affiliate website you want. Once you sign up to any of these affiliate networks, just come to the marketplace of that network, and as you can see, there are so many niches, so many categories that you can start promoting your products in. I am always an advocate of the 3 evergreen niches: health and fitness, make money, and relationship. But this method, this traffic source can work with health and fitness, but each and everyone is doing health and fitness, and there is a lot of competition in that. So the better niche for this traffic source will be pets, will be dogs, cats, fishes, or any of those things that trigger the emotions of the people, because we need to get the attention of the people, and targeting their emotions is the best way to get their attention. So as you can see over here, I've just searched dogs over here. Just click over here on search. After that, sort out the search by gravity. Gravity means the number of affiliate marketers that were able to get at least one sale in the past 1 month. So as you can see, the gravity of this is 163. That means 163 people were able to get at least one sale. This tells us that this product is much popular, it is selling, and it is actually good. So you can start promoting any one of these products you want in the dog category. What I would recommend you do is promote low ticket products, because the higher the amount of the product, the more trust people need to have in your recommendations and lower will be the conversions. So if you are a beginner, you need to start promoting low ticket products in order to see increased conversions and in order to get some initial sales very, very quickly. In order to start promoting any one of these products, just click over here on promote. After that, just enter the nickname that you will create while creating the account. After that, just click over here on generate hop link, and now this has become your affiliate link that you need to promote. But just watch the end of this video, because I will show you how you can make even double the amount of money with the trick I will show you at the end of this video. Now, talking about the website we are going to use to get the free traffic. This website gets 24 million visitors per month. All of this is fairly consistent, and as you can see, more than 50% of the traffic is from tier 1 countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia, all of these different websites. I'm just going to show you this particular website, but the only commitment I want from you is that you will watch the full video without skipping. The website I'm talking about is called boredpanda.com, and this is a terrific website for all affiliate marketers. As you can see, if I just go to the affiliate disclosure, you will see that this is an affiliate advertising program. That means these people are comfortable with affiliate links. These people allow affiliate links. If I just click over here on any one of these posts, if I just scroll down below, as you can see, they already give a disclaimer that this post may include affiliate links. This means that the people over here are used to seeing affiliate links, and this website allows affiliate links. And the best part is, if you just see which type of content is working over here, which type of content is over here, you will see that there is a very big, very huge image in front along with a very, very bold headline. So there are two things that we need to master in order to get free traffic from this website. The first is a very good eye-catching and emotional image so that we can trigger the emotions of people and they will click on it. And second thing, a very, very catchy title. For the copyright-free, royalty-free image that you can reuse, you can come to two websites, either Pexels or Pixabay. And as I said earlier, why we are choosing the dog industry? Because cute faces of dogs, emotional faces of dogs will trigger the emotions of the people and they will click on your particular post. So just come to any one of these websites, just write dogs over here, just search, and all of these, see how cute is this image. How can a person not look at this image? So just click over here on any one of these images. Click over here on free download, and you can download it in any resolution you want. Once you have downloaded this image, that is basically it. That is your main content already done. Now, for the headline over here, we need some good keywords that we can target in order to rank higher and trigger the emotions of people. So for that, as I said, just come back to ClickBank or whatever affiliate website you're using. Go to the support page of that particular product, and just if you scroll down below, you will see that there are keywords. As you can see, keyword ideas. So just download this keyword ideas. You will find plenty of different keyword ideas that you can use. There should be some suspense, there should be some emotions, there should be something so that the people would click on it, just like a news headline. Now, once you have done those two things, now let's talk about how to upload your particular image. For that, you will just have to create a free account. It is super simple. After that, just click over here on add a post. After that, just add the picture that you downloaded by clicking over here on add a post. As you can see, I've just uploaded this image. Over here, you need to write a catchy title, and over here, you just need to write a few lines as the description. For that, we will just simply go to Google and search over here something related to our product. So just search over here, best ways to train the dog. You can go to any one of these websites and we just need 5 to 6 lines worth of content and there will be no copyright issues for that small content. So you just need to be smart about it. Just take one paragraph from here, scroll down below, take one paragraph from here, take one paragraph from here, just change one word, just delete one word, add one word, and just create one paragraph of a little bit unique content. Once you have done that, now we need to give them some additional information. So just choose the category. As you can see, dogs is a category. Just write a few tags for the post. And what are these tags? These tags are basically the keywords that you will get from the affiliate support page. After that, this is where the magic will happen. As you can see, add a link. This is where you can add your link without any problems. And in this description, just right over here, click on the link below to learn the best way to train the dog. You can just write this. Your link will appear without any problems and you can get a lot of free traffic. Once you are done with that, just click over here on submit and there you go. Your post is all set to make you a lot of money. Now let's talk about the special trick I'm just about to show you that will ensure double the conversions and double the money with the same effort. And this is a trick that you need to learn. The basic idea of this trick is that people may not be interested in the product that we are promoting. Like we are promoting a dog training product. Maybe some of our audience might not be interested in that. Now what to do? That chunk of traffic is lost because we were just promoting that single product. So in order to increase our conversions to another level, why only promote one product when we can promote multiple products like dog potty training, dog physical training, mental training, how to make the dog sit, how to make the dog be friendly, and all of these different products are available on ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, Warrior Plus that you can use. And if people are not interested in one product, they can go to the second, third, fourth. For that, all you need to do is just come to this website that is called Linktree, and this is a free landing page builder that you can use without any problems. Once you create your free account, this will be the page that will appear, and all you need to do is just click over here on add a new link. Then there are two things that you need to write. First is a catchy title for your product and second your affiliate link. So just write a good headline over here. For the affiliate link, just come back to Digistore, just click over here on promote, get your affiliate link, and after that just copy this from over here, go back to Linktree, paste it over here, and you will see that a button will appear over here as you can see, and this is the button for your first product. You can add multiple products like this. Just click over here on add a new link, add the second title for your second product and add your second affiliate link over here, and multiple buttons will be created of your different products. Just as an example, I have added 2 products. If I just copy this link from over here, copy paste it in a new tab, you will see that this is a free landing page with 2 buttons, and these are your 2 different products. You can promote as many products as you want and increase your conversions to another level. Another method for promoting your products in a more high converting and in a more professional way will be email marketing. As you can see, Aweber is an email marketing software that is absolutely free for the first 500 subscribers. I have already made a dedicated video on how you can set up email marketing. You can check that out from the I button above, and you can set up email marketing. Along with this, if you want to learn how I make big affiliate commissions each and every day, check out the first link in the description box below to learn how I make big affiliate commissions each and every day. Also, I provide personal one-on-one video call training to my students, and my students are getting results on a daily basis with my free methods. So if you want to be personally trained by me, you can contact me on my Instagram. A link to that can also be found in the description box. If you like this method of making money online and want to learn another method in which I have shown how you can make $80,000 for free, click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now, because I have shown all the steps that you need to take in order to make $80,000 for free as a complete beginner.